Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button and show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. Back out here at Squirrel Park, y'all. Y'all know what's about to happen. Got two squirrels over there running up the pole. And it's Tuesday morning, y'all. And I'm out here again. This time with HDZero again. And it's evident that I'm really fond of this HDZero build here, because I keep making improvements and changing it to try to make it better. This time I added Airblade 1104 10,000 kV motors. So did something real different this time. Larger motors and all, larger props. These are the Baby Hawk props, the version 2 of the Baby Hawk props. And these things perform awesome indoors. I've tried the punch, and the punch seemed to be a whole lot better. So really anxious to get this thing out here and fly it around and see what big of a difference this change in components makes. And I have an 850 on here, larger battery, because I figure it's going to be more power draw with these larger motors. And these Airblade motors are hard to find, might not exist anymore. I had these a long time ago. I was going to use it for the ET100. Never got the chance to do that build. Still got that build to make though, got all the parts and everything. But let's take this guy up in the air. I also have this nano cam on here, Runcam Nano HDZero. The whoop cams kept burning out on me. And so let's get this guy up in the air. Real anxious to see how this thing flies. My transmitter battery is all the way down. Hopefully it doesn't cut out on me, man. And this HDZero monitor don't sound too good either. I can hear the fan really loud. It's recording though. Let's try to get it in the air. Still doing that thing on me. I have to start up twice. The fan got a little more quiet. Let's check a punch out on this thing. So definitely better now. Better than it was. I did change the rates and all. My transmitter's making noise. You can see the props a little more now though. So I got better rates now. Whoa, just missed that line. Getting a little crazy. Hope I don't get too happy with this faster rate setup and crash it. Oh. And the battery died fast on me, y'all. I think I wasn't paying attention to the battery. Sheesh, we went down over here somewhere. I think I have D-Shock commands on. Like finding a needle in a haystack out here, y'all, and I lost all video. I don't know what happened. Sheesh. And I think it was a combination of multiple things. The battery died. Or it came loose, I'm not sure. But the craft was off when I got to it. And also, my transmitter battery is dead completely. So, I think I might have killed this battery in my transmitter. I don't know how it went down so quick. But my transmitter battery is all the way at 4.3 volts. And it's supposed to be at 12. But I guess we're gonna have to bring this guy back out here a little later and test it out. I'm gonna have to swap out the battery for my transmitter in order to get this guy back in the air. Thanks for watching.